Simon talked about. And it's because of the prayer of the rain that we prayed some time back. We want to thank God for where he is taking us as a country. I got late this morning. I wanted to be here at 9. But I woke up to a meeting about how to produce food because it's important. And you all know that 85% of Kenya is arid and semi-arid. And we need water if we have to produce enough food for us as a nation. So we're discussing water this morning. It is so significant because that's how we are going to get ourselves enough food and even for export. Just to mention to you, we are importing food to Kenya, costing us 500 billion shillings every year. 500 billion shillings, good people, is significant. We shouldn't be importing this food. We should be producing. And in fact, we should be exporting because that's what we are. So, as you pray for Kenya to produce enough food and for us to export food to others. Why? Because I am reminded of the words of Deuteronomy 28:12. The Bible says, God will open his treasures, his good treasures in heaven. He'll give us rain in season. He will bless the work of our hands. And finally, he will make us not borrow, but lend to others. That is who we are. That's the promise we have from God. And it is that important. And as you pray, and I am touched by the gift and the accompanying statement on how strategic we should be, how we should trust God more, how we need to do what we have to do and trust God for the results. So even the gift you've given me is very prophetic and very significant. And I want to thank God for this morning.